Hi everyone, welcome back to Vijay Datta chemistry classes. This is Purnima ma'am. Today we are going to discuss about the Clemenson's reduction. Named reactions we are discussing in the previous sessions we have done with the HVZ reaction and Wolff-Kishner reduction. Today I'm going to discuss about the Clemenson's reduction. Okay, let us see what is Clemenson's reduction and what is the first of all, what is the reaction for the Clemenson's reduction? Reduction is nothing but same removing of oxygens and addition of hydrogens, that is called reduction, right? So here also the same. Like as Wolff-Kishner reduction. In the Wolff-Kishner reduction also, carbonyl compounds are converted into hydrocarbons. Carbonyl compounds are converted to hydrocarbons, but in case of Wolff-Kishner reduction, we have used hydrogen as the reagent, right? Hydrogen as the reagent, and we have used some base catalyzed reactions. But here, instead of hydrogen, we are going to use the zinc amalgam as the reagent in presence of HCl. Zinc amalgam in presence of HCl, carbonyl compounds are converted to hydrocarbons, that is called Clemenson's reduction. So carbonyl compound is nothing but it can be any aldehyde or it can be a ketone. So I am taking here one example, that CH3CO CH2. This is on CH3CO CH3. This is on reacting with zinc amalgam in presence of HCl. Then it forms CH3 CH2 CH3. That is nothing but removing of oxygen and addition of hydrogens to that carbon is nothing but called reduction. But this process is undergoing in presence of zinc amalgam and HCl, then this is called the Clemenson's reduction. So, what is the mechanism is taking place in the Clemenson's reduction? Let us see the mechanism. Let us see the mechanism. I'll take the fresh space for the mechanism. Here, I'm taking the same R C O R. RR is nothing but the alkyl group. It can be any methyl, ethyl, propyl, butyl, anything you can take. R is the alkyl group, that is on acid catalyzed reaction, that is nothing but addition of the H plus here. So it is an acid catalyzed conversion. Even that is the base catalyzed conversion. Clemenson's Wolff-Kishner reduction is the base catalyzed conversion, and this Clemenson is the acid catalyzed conversion. Then if you are adding this H plus to this, then the product will be R C double bond O H plus R, isn't it now? But it is highly unstable because the oxygen is getting the three total three bonds, but it is stable with only two bonds, so it is highly unstable. Immediately this double bond will shift towards the carbon. Then the product is R COH R, and it gets the negative charge R COH R, and it getting C oxygen gets the negative charge. Okay, carbon gets the positive charge because hydrogen oxygen getting negative charge, then carbon should shift to positive charge. Now to this positive, if you are adding the zinc, zinc is nothing but, see, it will take whatever the zinc is there, that zinc will convert into the Zn2 plus over here. Okay, zinc is converting into the Zn2 plus, that is nothing but zinc is losing the two electrons. The two electrons will taken by this carbon, then this positive charge will be converted to the negative charge. The positive charge, because positive is nothing but electron deficient, the two electrons are given by the zinc, then it becomes the negative charge. Again this to this negative charge, as it is a acid catalyzed reaction, I am going to add two H plus reactions, that is nothing but 2 times H plus. Then it will be RCr, one hydrogen come and shifts to this carbon, and one more hydrogen come and form at this oxygen, but oxygen cannot have three bonds, then oxygen gets the positive charge. See here, when oxygen having three bonds, it is highly unstable, then immediately it will leave as the H2O, then minus H2O, then the bond will be RCHR, negative charge, isn't it? H2O plus is going, then carbon bond is breaking, then this bond oxygen gets negative charge, carbon gets positive charge, carbon gets positive charge, then minus H2O. Again here carbon is having the positive charge. The same phenomena adding the zinc, then it donates the two electrons to the carbon, then carbon converts into the negative charge like. Now this negative charge we are adding the H plus, then it converts into RCH single bond R. That is what RC double bond O we have taken. It has been converted to RCH2R. That is nothing but carbonyl compounds are converted to the hydrocarbons in presence of zinc and amalgam, and HCl is nothing but acid base acid catalyzed reaction. This is nothing but called Clemenson's reduction. Even this will have some application parts also. If you come to the application part of this one, you have to check carbonyl compounds in presence of zinc amalgam. Wherever you see that carbonyl compound immediately converts into the hydrocarbons like alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compounds also undergoes this reaction. Alpha beta unsaturated hydrocarbons is nothing but CH3 double bond C double bond C double bond OH. If you observe this reaction, it is an aldehyde. Aldehyde attached carbon is alpha carbon. That attached carbon is beta carbon. Alpha and beta having the double bond. So these are called alpha comma beta unsaturated hydrocarbons. Alpha comma beta unsaturated hydrocarbons. These will participate very effectively in the reaction. Zinc amalgam in presence of HCl. So what happened? Immediately this double bond O and this double bond converted into the CH. Then the bond will be shifted to CH3. When the double bond also disappears, then it is CH2H. That is nothing but this one is completely converted to the CH3. Okay. And here also 1, 2, 3, 4. Here CH2 should be there. So the overall compound is CH3, CH3, CH2. CH2H is nothing but CH3. So completely the double bond and double bond alpha beta unsaturated hydrocarbons completely undergoes this Clemenson's reduction. Complete reduction will be takes place. Complete reduction is nothing but wherever the double bond is there, the double bond will be removed and hydrogens will be added to this one. Even one more example also we can take, that is nothing but ring structure. See here, this is the ring double bond O, this one. See, this is the double bond O, it will be alpha, it will be beta. Alpha beta unsaturated hydrocarbon. This is in presence of zinc amalgam and HCl, zinc amalgam hyphen. Then it will be completely converted to be like this. That is nothing but cyclohexane. So complete reduction will be takes place for the alpha beta unsaturated hydrocarbons. And also we can take some other examples also. Suppose if you have like this, they have given you zinc amalgam in presence of HCl, then simply it converted to the cyclohexane like. Suppose they have taken CH3, CH2, CO, CH3, then they given zinc amalgam in presence of HCl, then simply the reaction will be takes place just like the CH3, CH2, that CO converts into CH2 and then CH3. This is called Clemenson's reduction. Reduction is nothing but removing of the oxygen from carbonyl compound and we are adding the hydrogens. Okay students, this is the Clemenson's reductions. This is called Clemenson's reduction. It is the acid catalyzed reaction. Wolff-Kishner is the base catalyzed. That's why we added there repeatedly the base also. Okay, students, thank you. Thank you so much. Please do subscribe, like, and share my videos. If you have any doubts, let me know in the comments box. Then I will pick up the topic and I will explain that. Thank you. Thank you so much.